Hi everyone, good morning. My name is Jaira Fatima Pablico. I am here to talk about myself, my experiences, and also some of the things that I learned from my profession, being a system administrator and also freelancing. Stay tuned. Okay, first things first, let me introduce myself. My name is Jaira Fatima Pablico. My family and friends calls me Jazz, and that is why I came up with a shorter name, Jazz Pablico. I am now 23 years old and a graduate of Bachelor of Science in Information Technology from Palawan State University. I graduated last 2017, and luckily I was able to find a good job here in Palawan, which is in Saitel, Puerto Princesa. I became a tech support for around 8 months and decided to apply for a system administrator for Fathom's web application services, which is my current job right now. More about a little background about me. Since I was in high school, I started creating simple videos for my family, especially when there are family gatherings. Also, I was very interested in taking pictures, so that is why while I slowly take my BSIT course, I was able to use more complex applications that can help me edit my videos and also photos. So that is why that's also one of the skills that I keep on maintaining and developing as of now. There is one question that I would like to answer. Why did I choose BSIT, Bachelor of Science in Information Technology? So when I graduated high school back in 2011, I have no idea what course I should take. So that is why I asked my uncle, and then he recommended take up BSIT because for the next few years it's going to be in demand. People are going to be looking for that kind of profession. So at first I was hesitant, but then I gave it a try since I'm very interested in computers, though I only have small ideas how they work. So that is how I started. I started taking IT. I enrolled in Divine Grace Institute and learned about basic computer hardware servicing. I was able to format computers, troubleshoot. Also, it helped my logical thinking when it comes to troubleshooting. Also, it challenged my patience when it comes to fixing computers. So that's pretty much a basic thing, but it was able to help me all throughout my college days. Also, that's when I started working with Photoshop. Yeah, Photoshop. Um, I was able to edit simple graphics, and also that's when I started looking for better video editing software, and I landed to Power Director 11. Yeah, Power Director 11. So that's what I usually use when I edit my videos. And as I slowly study information technology on my college days, I was introduced to different programming languages that I loved because I always get the results that I wanted to get when we have projects, when we have assignments. I was able to get it, and I really enjoy the flow charting part because I can totally use my logical sense in there. So that's pretty much why I love BSIT, and it's actually a challenge for me. But when it comes to the field that BSIT is working on, I can say that all of the skills that I acquired is really useful for the future. So that's pretty much why I took BSIT. After I graduated BSIT from Palawan State University last year, I started working right away as a tech support for Saitel Puerto Princesa. I was a tech support for a tech account that lasted for 8 months for me. So in there, I enjoyed working with my colleagues. I was able to develop my communication skills and also customer service, and I was able to use my technical skills. And because of that, I can say that I really enjoyed working inside the Puerto Princesa. So it's just that I decided to resign at around December last year because I know that I already learned all of the things that I wanted to learn from Saitel Princesa. So that is why I I asked my boss from Fathom's Web Application Services if I can start working as a full-time system administrator, so that I can jumpstart my career in the IT industry. And I believe that this year, 2018, this is really the year when I will be starting and learning more about IT. So that is why I focused on becoming a system administrator for our new company, and that is where I was able to work with Ubuntu, also work with new clients, also new problems, new technical problems that I would love to solve, and most of all, it opened a lot of doors for me. Right now, I am training for the ICT, which is the Rural Impact Sourcing Technical Training, which promotes freelancing for individuals like me. So one of my dreams is to create a website, and now because of this training, I am working on it. I was able to develop a website using the WordPress, which is the content management system. So as a system administrator right now, I am planning to also balance it with freelancing, so that I can learn more about the IT industry and become one of the individuals who will help the local businesses here in Palawan to become globally competitive and to become accessible to all of the people in the world, because that's what the internet does, right? So it's really a big opportunity for me, and I'm looking forward to have more clients next year for my freelancing job, because in my freelancing job, I believe I can use all of my skills when it comes to photo editing, video editing, website development, and also customer service when it comes to answering inquiries for the customers, also fixing problems when it comes to technical stuff, and also I will be able to promote myself as an IT professional. So before I end this video, I just wanted to promote my social media accounts. Jazz Publico in Facebook. You can also follow me on Twitter at Jazz Publico, and also just search Jazz Publico on Instagram. You will be seeing me from there. And also please subscribe to this YouTube channel, so that you will be updated about maybe the seminars that I will be going to, and also the latest project that I am working on. And one more thing, I wanted to thank you, Lighthouse Apartment and Guest Inn, for accommodating me and for giving me a room to have this video today. To Mami Eve, thank you so much for this opportunity, and also to my family and friends for helping me. and also to DICT for their free training with rural impact sourcing and technical training. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and may you have a nice day.